Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So we were discussing Python dictionaries and today we will discuss how to remove an item from Python dictionary. So there are two methods to remove an item from a dictionary. So we will discuss those methods today. So let's start with the first method. First one is the pop method. Pop method basically removes the item with a specified key name. So let's see an example of this method. So here is an dictionary in which we will remove the model number. So we have given brand name Ford model Mustang year 1964. So we will use this pop function to remove the model. So when we will use the pop in this the code and run the code, it will remove model from the dictionary. So then on in output we will only have brand and year. So the next method is the del method or delete method. Delete method or delete keyword basically delete the dictionary completely. As we see, delete is something associated with the deletion of anything completely. So in the same way, delete keyword will also delete a dictionary completely. So now we will see an example for this. So there is the same dictionary brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. We will use the del function to delete this dictionary. And when we will run this code in output, nothing will appear because when we use the delete function, it will completely delete the dictionary and no output will appear. So that's all from today's video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.